When designing with Canva, there are a few key steps to follow. Start by choosing a template or creating a new design from scratch. Canva offers a wide range of templates for different types of designs, such as social media graphics, posters, and flyers. If you prefer to create your own design, you can start with a blank canvas. Add text and images to your design. Canva provides a variety of tools and features to help you add and customize text, including different fonts, colors, and text effects. You can also upload your own images or use the millions of free images available in Canva's library. Use design elements to enhance your design. Canva offers a wide range of design elements such as shapes, icons, and illustrations that you can use to enhance the visual appeal of your design. You can also use different design elements to create a design hierarchy and guide the viewer's eye. Adjust the layout of your design. Canva's intuitive drag-and-drop interface makes it easy to adjust the layout of your design. You can move elements around, resize them, and align them to create a polished and professional-looking design. Preview and download your design. Once you are satisfied with your design, you can preview it to make sure it looks the way you want it to. You can download it in different file formats such as PNG, JPEG, and PDF or share it directly on social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Canva is a user-friendly graphic design platform that makes it easy for anyone to create professional-looking designs. With its wide range of templates and design elements, it's a great tool for creating visual content for personal or professional use.